2019 is going down in history, which means that it is time to sum up the results of the work done and make new plans. We invite you to recall the most important events of the outgoing year and experience the most vivid and memorable moments from the life of Skyway once again. At the beginning of the year, work on the construction of a new workshop started on-site the Skyway pilot plant. For the company developer, it is the next step on the way to the arrangement of small-scale production of components for rolling stock, primarily so as to ensure the first commercial projects without involving contractors. Commissioning of the new building took place in September 2019. In October, another new facility began operating at Ecotechnopark, a laboratory complex for bench testing of individual elements and units of Skyway rolling stock and track structure. In January 2019, a new industrial model of Skyway rolling stock, Uniwind U4 651, arrived to Ecotechnopark for performance trials. Due to its reliability, high performance, wide choice of options, as well as simplicity and low material consumption of the track structure, Uniwind can become a universal solution to a number of transportation problems, such as arrangement of cargo and passenger haulage in remote areas and regions with severe climatic conditions. In parallel with tests of Uniwind, experts of the developer company proceeded with preparation for performance trials of a new model, a unicar in tropical version. This pod was developed taking into account the climatic specifics of the Middle East, where its further operation is planned. This novelty differs from its predecessor in the model range by a duplicated climate system, hydraulic suspension, dual cooling system, more capacious onboard power storage, an updated cooling system, an improved machine vision system, as well as a cabin in VIP design. In early March, the new unicar model was tested in a special climate chamber, where the main systems of the vehicle were tested at the temperature of 60 degrees for 2 days. After successful completion of tests in the climatic chamber, it was sent to Ecotechnopark to undergo a set of running tests on various types of track structure. The final acceptance of the vehicle was personally conducted by Skyway general designer Anatoly Yunitsky, and in September the car was sent to the Research, Technology and Innovation Park in Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. In September, we started performance trials of the high-speed Unibus U4 362, which was presented at the International Transport Exhibition InnoTrans in Berlin. In parallel, the professionals of Skyway Design Organization conducted a series of preliminary tests with power supply systems, charging system and elements of current collection from the track structure. Preliminary tests showed the correctness of incorporated solutions and the efficiency of the current design of the track structure as a contact network. On the 17th of August, the annual event focused on innovations, high technologies and ecology, EcoFest 2019, took place on the territory of Skyway Ecotechnopark. By tradition, EcoFest once again gathered guests from more than 50 countries of the world, and the live broadcast from Ecotechnopark was watched by about 50,000 people. This year, everyone could try out the stream transport by making a trip on any of the 3 existing routes. In addition to new models of rolling stock, Skyway engineers demonstrated their achievements in the creation of intelligent control systems. Smart cars moved independently in the mode of electronic coupling, carried out towing, and also learned to identify a person. In addition, transportation of passengers during the event was carried out in autonomous mode. On the 16th of April 2019, presentation of the next issue of the monograph String Transport Systems on Earth and in Space took place. The author of the book is Skyway general designer Anatoly Yunitsky. In his monograph, he detailed the fundamental laws and principles on which the concept of string transport systems is based. The book has already survived several reprints, but its main ideas have not changed. The presentation of the new edition of the monograph was held on the anniversary of its author on the 16th of April 2019. The hero of the day made the milestone birthday in the company of colleagues and like-minded people. More than 100 guests came to congratulate him on the holiday. Strengthening of Skyway's positions in the Middle East region is the main trend of 2019. In April 2019, Skyway technology was officially proposed as potential for the implementation of Dubai's infrastructure development plan. A package of projects proposed by the country's Ministry of Transport was approved by the region's leadership. The projects included an urban transport system with a total length of 15 kilometers and 21 stations on the route, the implementation of which is possible using Skyway technology after all the necessary approval procedures. In October, His Highness Sheikh Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasimi, member of the Federal Supreme Council of the UAE, ruler of Sharjah, visited the site of Skyway Innovation Center under construction in Sharjah. This event was widely covered in the information media of the UAE. Such was the year 2019 in Skyway history. Like all previous ones, it was not easy and rich on events. However, year after year, despite any difficulties, we continue to move forward. This means that we are waiting for new peaks and new victories.